Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the chatbot I have created for car dent repair. With this chatbot, customers can easily get a quick estimate for their car dent repairs. Let's see step by step how it works. The chatbot is welcoming us and asking how it can help. Let's select General Pricing Quote. Now it's asking for my name, phone number and email. It's asking which part of the car needs dent repair. I'll select doors. Now it's asking which fender, and how many dents, and the size of dents. It's asking to upload photos for better estimation. You can upload or skip this step. Let's proceed to get the estimate. This chatbot will now estimate the cost of your dent repair based on our custom pricing system configured in the backend. It will calculate a final estimate that includes all applicable repair costs. Here's your current estimated quote for dent repair based on the size. You can upload a photo right here in the chat or send it to number. You can also share your shop or workshop location with customers for their convenience. And what if someone wants to know your business hours? We have got the solution for that. You can also offer your business hours via the same chat. Additionally, use the chatbot to inform them about your business hours and availability. All data, information, and the complete chat summary will be stored in your Google Sheet or CRM. This allows you to easily review what the customer discussed, understand their issue, and follow up with personalized support to resolve it efficiently. You will also receive an email notification whenever a new lead is captured. Additionally, you can send a detailed estimate or summary to the customer directly via email, ensuring timely and efficient communication. User can choose to upload images or book a live inspection right from the chatbot. Thank you so much.